Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we're talking about some of our favorite Amazon products, and I absolutely love this one. It is a 5-in-1 foot spa. You guys, first of all, what an amazing gift. Mother's Day is coming up. This is going to be on every list. Plus, a lot of us have been doing pedicures at home lately, and this is going to be your perfect pedicure companion. After you get this, you are never even going to want to go back to the spa. This guy is amazing. So, first off, you are going to soak your feet in this, and it's going to be, use it for relaxation, use it just to unwind after a long day, use it before a pedicure, whatever it may be. But this is really cool because it has 14 different rollers across the bottom to give you a nice foot massage. The rollers are equipped with acupressure points, so it's going to hit all of those points. It's going to increase your stimulation, your circulation, and just get your feet feeling really, really good. Help you relax and unwind, and help your feet get healthy and feel better so you can take on the next day. This is so amazing for anybody who works on their feet a lot. I'm looking, nurses, teachers, things like that. This is going to be an excellent gift for them. If you don't prefer the rollers, don't worry, you can take those right out. It's really easy if that's not your thing, but it's definitely mine, so I would keep them in. This also has bubbles and vibration, so it's going to give you even more of that spa-like jacuzzi relaxing feel. This also is super cool because the temperature control is right on the foot spa itself, and you can choose from 95 all the way up to 118 degrees. You don't have to worry about your water getting cool over time because you just adjust the temperature dial. The machine itself is going to keep the water at the temperature that you want, so you can just worry about relaxing, not keeping your water hot. So this is such a cool thing. It's such a cool gift. Anyone is going to totally love this. It is really going to elevate your pedicure game, elevate your self-care game for sure. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.